Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily turn off time-dependent notifications in Snapchat app. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also write your comments at the end of the video. So, let's get down to our topic. And if you want to turn off notifications in the Snapchat app, time-based, you'll need to first go to Settings on your phone. And then scroll down to the bottom and find Snapchat in that list of apps. Go to it. Next, you'll see the Notifications section. And now in Notifications, you can easily see a section called Urgent Notification, which is always delivered immediately. And when these notifications come, they appear on your lock screen and stay there for an hour. And if you want to turn them off, you just need to turn off this button in front of them. Thus, urgent notifications will not bother you anymore. Friends, in this very simple way you can easily turn off time-sensitive notifications in Snapchat app. I hope this video was helpful and useful for you. Please give us your likes, comments, subscribe to our channel. See you soon.